Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can change your username on X. And this is very simple. Alright, first open your X application and after that tap left in the top on your profile picture. Then from here tap on settings and privacy and from here tap on your account. Then tap on account information and you will see here the option to change your username. Tap on username and then if we tap on the username place just right here, we can type in the name that we want now. So Tommy Flux 1. Alright, this username is available and now if I tap on done, we just changed our username. But I like my own name, so I won't do that. So this is how you can fix or how you can change your username on X. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.